drooping head, behold a Jola cheering, blood yet bound in thread through the myriad veins of Erin. No, no, she is not dead. Behold a Jola cheering. Lo, she redeems the lost years of bygone ages. New glory beams henceforth on her history's pages. Her long penitential night of sorrow heals at length before the reddening morrow. You heard the thunder shout, Ní hald but Jola cheering, saw lightning streaming out o'er the purple hills of Erin. And bide you yet in doubt, Ní hald mac Goyle cheering, oh doubt no more. Through Lydia's voiceful valleys on Shannon's shore, freedom's burning spirit rallies. Earth and heaven unite in sign and omen, bodeful of the downfall of our foemen. Through commands the north, Ní hald mac Jola cheering. Luth sends her heroes forth to hew down the foes of Erin. Swords gleam in field and court. Up, 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 my friend, there's a glorious goal before us. Here will we blend speech and soul in this grand chorus. By the heaven that gives us one more token, we will die or see our shackles broken. Charles leaves the Grampian hills, Ní hald mac Jola cheering. Charles' his appeal yet thrills like a clarion blast through Erin. Charles, he whose image fills my soul to mac Jola cheering. 10,000 strong, his clans move in brilliant order, sure that ere long he will march them o'er the border, while the dark-haired daughters of the Highlands crown with wreaths the monarch of 3 islands. Fill then the ale cup high, Ní hald mac Jola cheering. Fill, the bright hour is nigh that shall give her own to Erin. Those who so sadly sigh, even as you mac Jola cheering, henceforth shall sing. Hark, o'er Heathery hill and dale come shouts for the King. Welcome our deliverer, welcome thousands this glad night turning bedward. Will with us drink victory to Charles Edward.